Have you ever heard about Moringa tea? It is not just an ordinary drink. It's packed with amazing benefits for your body and mind. Let's explore what makes this tea so special. Moringa tea is made from the leaves of Moringa tree, also called a miracle tree. This plant is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a true powerhouse of nutrition. For centuries, Moringa has been used in traditional medicine across different cultures. Its values for its ability to heal and strengthen the body naturally. One surprising benefits of Moringa tea is how it boosts energy and focus. Unlike coffee, it gives you steady energy left without the jitters, keeping you productive all day. Moringa tea is also great for your skin. Its antioxidants fight harmful free radicals, helping you achieve clear and glowing skin. It also supports your immune system. Drinking Moringa tea regularly helps your body fight off infections and stay strong. Beyond physical health, Moringa tea can calm your mind. It reduces stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation and peace. It can even improve your sleep quality. Drinking it before bedtime helps you relax and wake up feeling refreshed. Another benefit is mental clarity. Moringa tea sharpens your focus and concentration, making it perfect for your busy days. Adding Moringa tea to your daily routine is simple. Drink it in the morning for energy or in the evening to relax. Remember to choose sustainability sourced Moringa tea. It is good for the planet, ensures you get the best quality. Moringa tea is not just a drink, it is a step toward better health and peace of mind. Start enjoying its benefit today and feel the difference.